This is part 2 of chapter 4, and again we're going to create a table. So select the first few rows, and hit Control Shift down arrow, Insert, Table, Data selected, table has headers. Now we're going to add a field or another column to our table. Percent of sticker. We want to know, and notice it automatically added it to the table. We want to know the percentage that we're getting of the sales price over the sticker price. So it's going to be dividing the larger number into the smaller number. Simple division. And we're supposed to use structured references. So select sales price, notice syntax, that's a structured reference, divided by the sticker price. Hit enter and it fills it all the way down for the table. Now Control Shift and down arrow, home, percent format. And now we've got what we made, and now we have information. So select in the table and it wants us to add total rows. Add a total row. It wants the average. So if you select the cell, down arrow, the average percentage, the sum of the sales price, and the sum of the sticker price. And it wants you to auto fit those. Now we're going to add a visual of this. It's very handy so we can just at a glance see whether we're on track or not. So Control Shift down arrow, home, conditional formatting. We want to add blue data bars. And it shows us visually how well we've done. This one we got 100%. This one only 90. This one shows low, only 60% of this sticker price. Now the next thing it wants us to do is show that visually. We want to highlight those fields with a formula where E2 is the first field is less than or equal to 70%, because 70% is our cutoff to where we actually made any money. And we say fill, a yellow fill, click OK, and there we have it. You can glance at it and see where we did not do well, just at a glance. So adding visuals is another way to create better information. Now we go to first quarter sales. Notice that we don't have just the first quarter here. The first thing it wants us to do is to rename the table. And it's supposed to be first quarter. And then we have to get rid of everything that's not in the first quarter. So we're going to filter it. Date sold. Instead of select all, we're going to select January, February, and March. Now we've got even better information looking at what we did during the first quarter. You can do the formatting in the print preview. Don't forget to change your table styles. And if you have any questions, as always, let me know.